So you find that this one works purely in a remote place, and the working capability involves an electric burner, as you can see. This one is a DC burner that uses an induction. It's an induction cooker that uses induction process in heating. The system incorporates a 12 volts battery. Basically, we opted to go for a 12 volts battery and maintenance free, so that we reduce the issue of gaseous emission and poisonous gases. And also they have slightly longer lifespan as compared to the normal batteries. Then we also have a charger controller. We have a switching protection, and the lower compartment is purely for battery storage. We have also incorporated the issue of safety, because we find that most of the time these facilities are located where we have kids. So to protect, as a matter of protecting to enhance the safety on our item, we decided to incorporate a purely enclosed but a well ventilated, enclosed but well ventilated, because most of these equipments are temperature dependent. So you're not supposed to enclose it completely. So well ventilated. The lower part is purely open. I'll turn it around so that you can see it. The cabling, this one is this is a retrofit item. A retrofit is a facility that has been installed in an existing building. So we incorporated the cabling, proper well harness to avoid loose cabling, then direct to the battery, to the charger controller, then to the charger controller to the batteries. Then from the batteries, we have the switching protection that controls the cooker. Now, I'm sure all of you might be interested to see what is the backside. Let me turn it. The system is already working. As you can see, the water is heating purely from the sunshine. Purely, as you can see, we don't have enough illumination right now, but our system is still working. We have gone for a high efficiency solar panel. They are called monocrystal lens panels, so that in event there is low sunshine like now, our system still charges. Yes, we understand solar cannot work with the same capacity as electricity, but at least you still have the same service that someone who is connected on the grid have. You find that such areas, yes, we know we have pylons coming through, but the available power is not easily accessible to the locals. So we are coming to this product so that each and everyone can enjoy the facility that anyone can enjoy in urban areas. Now, demonstrating to you the structural setup of the equipment. I know it looks slightly technical, but we have really